Yeah, we're taking off, guys. We're taking off. We're taking off. It's now take-off time. Aish, look at this beauty. I love the beauty of this. I love the beauty of this. Just the beauty of it. Taking off everything. Just look at this. The beauty. Aish, I think it goes with my watch. Yeah, it goes with my gold watch. Yeah, this beauty.
How long is the flight?
9 hours.
9 hours.
Now they are showing us the drill. What is it? What do you call it?
It's a safety thing.
Yeah, safety
safety
features.
act.
Safety features. As you can see there, we are now taking off. Taking off. Yeah, bo.
And I'm enjoying.
Yeah, bo. You are enjoying, my baby. Ah. We are now taking off, guys. They're showing us everything. So we go out. Here we are. I'm just so glad. You know, I'm so glad. Look at this. Ash. We're in a luxury. Yeah, you know, guys, you know, when you want good things, you must pray to God. You know? Father God always gives the best in life. Don't stay hungry and you say, no, there's no job. Pray, but have some action. You know, act so that God can bless you. You know, there's no point in you crying without you doing something. You know, cry, but act, do something. You know, yeah. So this is so nice. We are planning now to leave. As you can see there, and all the screens that are showing. See, we are in a double-decker flight, guys.
We're about to show you the safety features of this Emirates flight, and we need your full attention. Your baggage should be securely stowed in the overhead lockers. If you're in a first-class suite, please use the stowage area provided. In economy class, you may also use the space under the seat in front of you. For takeoff and landing, laptops need to be switched off and stowed correctly. Any mobile phones or tablets should be put into flight mode.
Yes.
We'll let you know.
That's how it is.
Turn on Wi-Fi.
That's how it is.
Roaming.
Yes, we'll have Wi-Fi on the plane. Once it's off, it's up on the sky.
If you lose your phone under a seat, ask your cabin crew to help you find it.
Exactly.
Do not move the seat, as this may damage